Okay, so basically we have to find out the correct statements from the following. We have been given the four statements here. We have to find out which statement is correct. So according to me, if you will see, the first is saying the CO2 is used as a refrigerant for ice creams and frozen food. That is wrong. CO2 is not used for any it is not used as refrigerant for any ice cream or the frozen food. So this one would be no. The second one is saying that the structure of C60 contains 12 6-carbon rings and 25 carbon rings. No, basically it contains 20 carbon rings and 5 carbon rings of 12. So this one is also no, incorrect. Second is saying that ZSM5 is a type of zeolite that is used to convert alcohols into gasolines. That is true. ZSM5 is basically used to convert alcohols into gasoline. So this is correct. Second is saying that CO is colorless and odorless gas. That is obvious. So this is also correct. The first option is saying B and C only. No, this is wrong. The second option is saying A, B and C, wrong. Third is saying C and D. C and D. So yes, this is the correct answer. So as you look into the solution, it is also saying that option number 2 is correct. And it is also, I'll just read it out, that CO2 is not used as refrigerant for ice creams and frozen food. We have discussed this. C60 has 6 carbon rings of 20 and 5 carbon rings of 12. ZSM5 zeolite is used to convert alcohols into gasoline, and CO is colorless and odorless. So these both statements are correct.